Hello everyone, welcome to BissaAutoTune channel. Today we are working on a 2018 RAV4. This is the old transmission that came out of the vehicle, and with that barcode it stores the information of the transmission. So currently uh, the donor or the used transmission has been swapped and put into the vehicle, and we're going to program or do the adaptation so that the ECU would pick the new values of the donor transmission. So we quickly read the vehicle information and hit on OK. We wait for it to, this is the VIN number. We hit on OK. This is a North American vehicle and it has a radar cruise control without a smart key. And then we hit on OK. So once the tool sets up, we would go and then auto scan to see what DTCs or what fault codes are on the vehicle. Okay, we are approaching 100%. Okay, so we have these permanent codes and they are all related to the transmission. So we try clearing it, but the codes I guess since they are permanent, they're still going to reoccur and they are still in there. All right, so let's see how to go about programming. Let's start with the programming to see if we have transmission there. But let's go to the next. There's nothing, so we can hit on escape. We go to hot function. We do transmission adaptation, and we're doing the code registration. And like I showed you with the original one, that barcode, it contains the registration information. That is for the the previous one. So if we read the information, we're going to see that of the previous one. All faulty original transmission. So it has to be in park. Vehicle is stopped, engine is off. So we go to read, hit on next. And this is the compensation code from the original faulty transmission. So we can save that, and we can see it ends with 000A. I mean 000AA. Okay. So we can come out, escape, then go back to registration again, hit on OK. But this time we are going to go to set compensation, and the compensation code is on the donor transmission. So I'm going to step out and show you briefly, and then I'll put the code. So this is the code that came with the donor transmission, and it ends with 9F. So we've inputted it, or we've put it in, And once we're done, we can go ahead and click on the next. So this is going to be written into the ECU as a new code registration for the donor transmission. So wait for the countdown, and it says code registration completed. So we can hit on escape. Then we'll go back and read. So we'll go back to code registration again. Hit on OK. And then next. And we select the read compensation code and then hit on next. So we should be seeing the ending with 9F. And there we go. So the new value is registered into the ECM. So it's not necessary. We can escape and then escape. All right, so we will do I'm thinking about doing a code reset. Before that, we want to check and see what is if there's any VIN difference. Okay, nothing. So I'm thinking about doing a reset. So hit on escape. We go back to the control unit, which we can go through the engine, thinking that there's a transmission, but the transmission is all under the the engine and ECT. So we hit on that, and then we can hit on OK. And we go to special functions. At least we could come through this side to do the code registration, or we could also use a hot function. But here we're going to reset the memory, and we hit on OK. And this is an automatic transmission, not a CVT. So we hit on next.
Fuck you, Gideon. Yeah, that nigga pinched my finger into a little bitch. Yeah, he's like, oh, I gotta go. Dude, it's fucking, it's bullshit, man. It's broken, dude. Bro, shut the fuck up. It hurt.
And wait for the countdown to complete.
Yeah, fucking feel your heart rate.
Okay, so it says to turn the ignition off and back on. And since it's automatic transmission, a road test is required once I'm done with the adaptation here. Now back to on. So our work here is complete. So it's now left for the shop to take the vehicle on a road test so that those permanent codes will likely cycle and that go off. And we're just checking to see what the compensation code is, which we said it should be ending with 9F. So that is from the donor transmission, and we all set from here. So if we go back to check on the DTCs, we will still be having the permanent code. But hopefully once it's taken on a road test, that should that should hopefully clear away after that. Well, I hope this video has been helpful for doing a transmission adaptation on a Toyota, because we rarely do or get Toyotas, because hardly do these actually break down. But I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching, and have a nice day.